everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for your love, support, appreciation, and all those who are new to this channel, all those who are viewing this for the first time, please do not forget to like, subscribe. Please do not forget to click the bell icon as to whenever I make a new video, it will be notified to you. This is a general weekly reading. This is a general week energy reading from January 24th to January 30th of all the zodiac signs. And please do not get confused with sun, moon, rising signs. Whatever sign resonates with you, please go with the flow, go with that. Whatever sign you are inclined to, please go with that sign. And now moving forward, let's see this week's energy for all my 12 beautiful zodiacs. Okay. My Aries, Taurus, Geminis, how are you all today? My other signs, how are you all doing? You know, there are basically 5 elements: air, fire, water, earth, and sky. But sky being the supreme element, only the 4 elements are taken into consideration. So, all the 12 zodiacs are divided into 3 major parts: fire, air, earth, and water. Let's see what all the signs have in store for you. Okay, moving on. First one, Aries. Aries, this week's energy is this week requires lot of strength, lot of courage from you. This week you will have to take stand for something. This week you will have to put your foot down. This week you will have to keep your backbone very strong for the right things that you think is right. This week is very demanding in terms of your principles. So whatever principles or beliefs you believe in, you have to be strong and you have to stay focused. Lucky color for Aries this week is violet. It also provides a balanced life. The angel guidance card for my Aries this week is: see yourself doing well in this situation and have faith in a positive outcome. See, this is a card where you have to visualize your success, where you have to already believe that you have already reached your goal, you have already attained your success, and this week's energy is definitely going to help you out in reaching your desires and fulfilling all your goals. Moving, Taurus, this week's energy. This week is a time of recuperation. This week is a time of meeting your, old acquaintances. This week is a time of revisiting the memory lanes. Suddenly, lots of people are going to surprise you. They are going to meet you. This week is all about meeting and revisiting the old lanes. So enjoy this beautiful moment. Lucky color for my Taurians is tangerine orange. Be spontaneous and have fun. This week, just leave it, enjoy it, chill and have fun and enjoy the company of others who are going to come and visit you. The angel guidance card for Taurus is: this situation has a basis in one of your previous lifetimes. Ask your angels to help you remember, release, learn, and heal from your past experiences. This week is asking you to just leave your past issues. This week is asking you to forget whatever has happened in the past. Leave it, move on, meet those people who have hurt you or loved you or have been in support for you, always there in your life. This week requires you to revisit those issues and sort it out. Hope you have a good week, great week ahead, and all your issues are resolved and you have a fulfilling week. Next, moving on, my Geminis. Geminis, this is a very promising week as far as finances are concerned. All your hard work is going to pay you off. You are going to get good returns on your hard work and stability. Lot of encouragement is also there. Appraisals is also there. Lucky color for my Geminis is green. Revitalize your nervous system. You will be working a little more than usual this week. So you need to pep up your nervous energy. You need to pep up your stamina, your nervous system, immunities. Your angel guidance card is the divine truth is that your parents eternally love you to the best of their ability. The angels are helping you heal from any pain associated with your mother or father. So, some people they have these mother wound or father wound or their ancestral wounds. So, this is the time you need to come out of those wounds. You need to accept them. You need to accept their love. You need to accept the warmth and compassion and the blessings that is coming in your way. This is also going to lead you towards your success as you are blessed by some very, very good souls around you, right? Cancerians. Cancerians, very, very good time, very positive time to have a partnership, very good time to enter into new project with someone which you have been thinking for a long time. Very positive time to put your creative ideas on floor. Lucky color for my Cancerians is apricot. Apricot is a very lively color. It gives you a kick. It gives you that zest and energy to move forward. And whatever energy you require, try to incorporate this color this week in your life. The angel guidance card for my Cancerians is it is safe for you to be powerful and take charge of your life in positive ways. Very, very positive card, very good card, very direction seeking card. See, it is very good card to put your ideas on floor this week. Very good card to put your enterprises into partnership. If you have been looking for a partner or you have been finalized something, it's very high time. You can go with that. It's a very positive week ahead. Next, my Leos. How are you, my Leos? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are doing great. Leos, I see, although Leos are a fire sign, they are very strict, they are very, authoritative type. They are little on the dominating side, but a little health-wise checkup is required this week. This week, you will be facing some minor health issues. You need to address to that. This week, it's demanding you to look after yourself more. So please take good care of yourself. Lucky color for Leos this week is silver. Be persistent. Whatever you are trying to follow on, whatever you are trying to do, please follow this and look after yourself. And the angel guidance card for my Leos is notice messages that appear as sounds, music, and words from both external sources and within your mind. These messages are real answers to your prayers. Leos, please do not believe whatever you hear. Please do not follow anyone. You yourself are a true leader. You yourself have the natural ability to lead others. So it is very essential for you to look after yourself, to make an example for others, to stand as an ideal for others. So please look after yourself this week and take care of your health. Next we have coming up Virgos. Virgos, my beautiful Virgos, how are you doing this week? This week, you can expect some very good returns. You will be, given respect. You will have, you will be very much loved this week. People will shower lots of appraisals to you. You will be viewed as a successful person. Whatever you have been doing on this week, it's time to reap the rewards. You will be identified as a person who is strong, who is worthy, and who has been hardworking, and whatever the results are there, this is all because of you. So you will be recognized for your efforts this week. Lucky color for Virgos is auburn brown. Ground yourself. If you have been given the recognition this week, if you are praised a lot, so it is also required to ground yourself. Grounding is very much important. Do not fall prey to false praises, so always ground yourself. The angel guidance card for my Virgos. You have a strong bond with the fairies, and your life purpose involves helping Mother Nature. So you are already very much close to Mother Nature. You are already inclined towards the nature. You have that healing power. You have that special working techniques, how to get the work done. You have the talent. So you already have that abilities. This week it is going to be praised. This week people are going to recognize your talent. Very, very worthy week ahead. Moving on, my Libras. Hello, my Librans. How are you? Very positive card for the week ahead, Librans. If you want to start your own enterprise, if you want to start to have your own work, this is the time you can put your ideas on floor. A very strong materialistic card. This do not let the fire in you die. Whatever you have been fueling, whatever the ideas you have been have been incorporating in your mind, whatever ideas you have been developing from the past some time, this week it allows you to open up and put your ideas on floor. You will get good results. Lucky color from my Librans is coral orange. Allow flow and synchronicity in your life. Go with the flow. There is an opportunity in front of you, grab it. There is an opportunity or an open door in front of you. Just please grab it and show your true potential to world. They are going to love you for that. Their angel guidance card is honor and respect your deep sensitivity, as it is a gift to us all. Librans, you already understand, you already have that the like a sixth sense, or you already have that intuition, you already have that intuitive power, so as to you can analyze the pros and cons of any situations. So use it in your favor, use this fire, use this color this week, and you will definitely have a great week ahead. Next are my Scorpios. My lovely Scorpions, how are you? Alright, this week offers you some very, very, unexpected twists and turns in your life. Something very unexpected is going to happen this week. You will be surprised as to see some people changing. You will be surprised as to see some situations changing. You will be surprised to see some of the secrets revealed to you. This week is full of mystery and secrets revealed to you. Scorpions, keep your eyes and ears open this week. The lucky color for you is lavender. Connect to body, mind and soul. Use your mind, use your body, use your soul. Connect to it and just keep your eyes and ears open this week. This is a very, very high alert week for you. Your angel guidance card for the week is ask the angels to clear your mind and body of past pain in exchange for peacefulness. You need to free your body. You need to understand the movements of your body. You need to, be one with your body. And you just pray to the God, just pray to angels. They can help you relieve of the pain if you are going through any, and keep an open eye this week. Do not trust anyone this week blindly. Just believe in yourself and your gut feeling. Next, we have the Sagittarians. Saggies, it's okay to celebrate, but it is not very good or very beneficial if you celebrate too early. Please wait. Have patience, be calm, and do not celebrate too early before you have achieved your goal. Okay? Wait, stop, think, do meditation, have a balanced mind, be calm. When you have reached that goal, when you have attained that success, then only do the celebrations. Pre-celebrations are sometimes not good for your health. So have patience. Lucky color for my Sagis is purple. Develop mental clarity. Please be quiet this week. Please have low profile this week. Please use or incorporate purple color in your lives. And if possible, please go for some meditation sessions and calm yourself. The angel guidance card for my Sagittarians. Pay attention to your ideas as they are messages of true divine guidance sent in answer to your prayers. Whatever you have been working on, whatever ideas you have been putting your mind into, whatever seeds you have been sowing in the past, you must refer to God, must refer to angels to show you the correct path. And the prayers, you get the answers from your angels in your dreams, in your by your gut feeling, by your instincts. So pay attention to those things. Hope you have a very, very meditative week ahead, and calm yourself and move forward. Next, we have the Capricorns. Capricorns, this week ahead, you will be very happy to hear, you will be happy to receive good news, you will be happy to see your work coming on floor, you will be happy to receive all those in your job, all those in your occupations. You will be very, very happy to see appraisals. And I also see love is in the air for Capricorns. If you don't have anyone, if you are in a relationship, I see new beginnings. If you are already married, good news is on the way. So very, very good and prosperous week ahead. Lucky color for my Capricorns is scarlet red. Attract success. Very solid color for attracting success. Introduce this color this week, my Capricorns, and you will attract success, you will attract relationships, you will attract appraisals and all the goody things this week. The angel guidance card for my Capricorn this week is protect yourself from harsh or fear-based energy by envisioning a cocoon of healing light surrounding you. Whenever you grow, whenever you are surrounded by light, that's the time lots of negativity try to attack you. Wherever there is a candle, there are supposed to be these other insects who are attracted by the power of the candle. So this week, if you are riding up the ladder of success, this week, if you have all the positivity around you, this week the universe is blessing you. So along with that, the cons of this situation is also you will be attracted by negativities as well. So please take care of yourself and do not show off. Although it is a very positive week ahead, but try to keep a low profile and enjoy it with your family members or close persons who really care about you. Next, we have the Aquarius. Aquarius. Okay, Aquarians, we have a very, very special week ahead. Whatever you have been planning on, whatever you have been working on, you are thinking that, okay, I have reached, but you will see suddenly it's slipping away from your hand. Whatever you are manifesting, whatever your desires, whatever your goals, it is going to take little more time. So please wait, have patience, put more effort, put more energy. Something is missing. You are missing a piece of the jigsaw puzzle. You are not putting your full effort. You need to put in that full effort. Some link is missing. Please try to understand. Please try to isolate that weak link and remove it from the equation. If you understand, if you identify that link and remove it from the equation, then you can, complete the equation and reach your desired goals. So please see to it what is going wrong in this thing. The lucky color for my Aquarians is ruby red. Rejuvenate your body. With this color, maybe you are overdoing things, you are maybe overtired, so you need to look after yourself, you need to settle down, you need to rest, because sometimes overdoing things can also, you know, disorient you. Overdoing things can also deviate from your path. So please look into it, what needs to be done, and then go accordingly. Do not jump, do not take quick decisions. Wait, this is not the right time to take important decisions. The angel guidance card for my Aquarians is your angels want to help you with this situation. However, they require your permission before they can intervene in your free will choices. There are people around you, the spirit guides, your power angels, and earth angels who are always around us. We are always surrounded by earth angels. They want to help you out, they want to give you guidance, they want to help you in your situations, they want you to pull you out of the situation. But you have to show your willingness that you need help. Nobody offers help until and unless you show it to them. Even angels, even God, they require your permission. They require that you show your vulnerable side to them. Okay, I need help in this thing. And there is no shame in doing that. Please, if you have someone in your circle who could help you out in this thing, do reach out to him or her. Definitely, your week is going to turn to a very positive side. Last of my zodiac, Pisces. Pisces, this week is full of celebration. This week is love. This week is full of warmth, joy. This week is meeting with lots of people. This week is, you will be in a very happy mood this week. This week you will fulfill all your heart desires. You will meet lots of new people, you will meet lots of old people as well. A very good week for reunions, a very good week for meeting your relatives, your friends, your colleagues. You will be enjoying this week. Pisces, a very, very good and positive week ahead. Lucky color for Pisces is pink. Let love in. This is a week of love. This is the week of warmth, compassion, and warmth. The lucky color, the angel guidance card for my Pisces is trust what you see in your mind's eye as well as with your physical sight. For your spiritual vision helps you with healing, teaching, and guidance. You already know what is right and what is wrong. So you have that sight, you have some principles, you have some logic. Use your logic. Do not trust whatever anybody else talks to you. Do not listen to what others put into your mind. Use your mind. Use your logic. Use your logical thinking process. And then come to a decision. Although Pisces, this week is very good for you, but do not just follow anyone blindly. Use your thought process and use your logic in reaching a certain decision. That's all, my friends. See you soon in another video. God bless. Have a very, very fabulous and blessed week ahead. Yes, hoping all the best to you. Thank you.